Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add web push to a campaign here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, you first need to enable push notifications in your store settings, okay? And then let's go ahead and create a push notification campaign within here in the campaigns tab. So first up, click on store settings in here and just go ahead over to push notifications, okay? In this panel, click on it. Now make sure again that this one is enabled. And once enabled, let's go ahead over to our campaigns. All right, and in here, let's go ahead and create another campaign and make sure that you choose push notifications. Create notification right here. Give it a campaign name. Let's say just push. All right, title, push notif. All right, by the way, here's the preview, push notification. The text may be this is a sample push notification. Okay, and don't forget to add in the destination URL. All right, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in the channel's URL right here. If you want to add in some icon or your company logo, you can go ahead and do that. Just tick on this checkbox and select a file. Okay, you can go ahead and select from your image library right here. Head on select. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add in your image, okay, which will be the background. And once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and add in your TM tags, which is for Google Analytics tracking. And once that's done, just click on next step. Or maybe if you want to, you can go ahead and send test, okay? And once that's done, select your contacts and hit on next step. And just do make sure that at least you have 10 subscribers, okay? And that's basically it. Once you have 10 subscribers, just click on send now and you're good to go. And that is how you add web push to a campaign here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.